Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and it's Samsung week, so we have more Samsung products to review on the channel. Today we're taking a look at the Wireless Charging Pad Duo. This is a new wireless charger that was just launched this week. Let's check it out. Now guys, welcome back to the channel. Very excited as we have more Samsung products that we're reviewing. And today we're taking a look at the Wireless Charging Pad, and this is a dual pad. It's going to give you the ability to charge two phones or to charge a phone and a smartwatch. So let's do the unboxing and let's go ahead and check it out.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available.
Alright guys, so the wireless charging pad from Samsung that we're looking at right now is going to be able to charge multiple devices at the same time. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at the packaging and we'll do the unboxing. So this is a wireless charger, a dual pad, and it says it comes with the wireless charger AFC 25 watt power brick. If we flip it on the back, there isn't really much here to say, at least from a spec perspective. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox it and see what's inside. So we'll go ahead and slide this open. And a couple things that we see going on here, first of all, is that we have our charging pad. And you'll notice that the charging pad highlights the devices that can charge. So we'll put this to the side. You have a quick start guide. And then what you have is, whoa, this is massive. This is a giant power brick. I haven't seen one this big in a while in the channel. So again, very large power brick. I'm sure to give you a lot of charging power for the wireless charger. Let's see, hopefully it's USB-C. And yes, and then you get this USB-C charging cable, so that's pretty cool. So nothing else in the box. So as we take a look again, we have our wireless charging pad, a power brick, very large one for the charging pad, and a USB-C cable. Now let's take a closer look at the wireless charging pad. So we'll go ahead and remove the plastic that we have here. So let's go ahead and do that. There we go. And as we do it, check it out. So you have the phone that can be charged here, and it says over here you can charge a phone and the watch. So you can't put the watch on this side, but you can put a watch or a phone on this side. It does say that it requires specific power. It will not work with the original charging brick. You have to use this special one. And let's go ahead and remove it so you can take a closer look. So you can see really nice satin finish to it. It doesn't seem to be a fingerprint magnet at all. And then it has kind of a rubberized ring here that I think is going to help really nicely have your watch sit here. And then you'll notice that it has kind of like a rubberized ring also going all the way around here. So that's also a pretty interesting design. As we flip this over, it has a cooling system here. So it has a fan. And then it has this rubberized feet right here. And in the back here, we'll put it like this. You can see you have your USB-C port. So pretty neat. Now, let's take a look at the cable because I think it's going to be important to have that this cable be long. So let's see how long this is. So yeah, this is long enough. So this is going to allow you to really plug it in, underneath your desk. And then make sure that you have enough space to charge or to connect it to charge. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put our S10 as well as a Galaxy Watch and then also do a Note and the S10 charging at the same time to see how it charges. Let's get right to that. Alright, so our next test is wireless charging. So we're going to take this Galaxy Watch and we're going to place it on the charging cradle to see if it will charge. You'll notice the LED did turn on and you'll notice that it did start charging. So that's a good sign. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our S10 Plus and place it to see if it will charge as well. So we're going to put it right there. You notice that it says that it's charging and it says fast wireless charging, which is also a good thing. So we have two devices now charging at the same time. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to remove our watch and we're going to try charging now a Note 9. So here I have my Note 9. I'm going to place it right here and I want to see if it will also start charging. And you notice it started charging. And in this case, it's doing fast charging too, so that's pretty cool. So you have fast wireless charging in both. I thought it was going to be a slower charge, but that's not the case. This is awesome. So you have fast charging in both. Now let's see if it's compatible with other devices. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab here a Pixel. I'm going to put the Pixel right here as well. And we have this one charging, this one charging. So both of them are charging, but the Pixel says it's charging slower. But hey, we can charge multiple devices at the same time. We can charge two Samsung products, fast wireless charging, with the same charging pad. So guys, that concludes our review, unboxing, and testing of the new Samsung wireless charging pad. Hey, I think this is a buy. It's small, it could fit in a briefcase, in a backpack, you can take it with, or you can keep it in your house. And the great thing is that you can charge 2 devices at the same time, fast wireless charging, or a smartwatch and the phone. So let me know if you're going to pick one of these up in the comment area below, and I'll see you in the next one.